I desire to report that this afternoon, accompanied by the members for Kalgoorlie, Murray, Wellington and Roe, I presented myself to Excellency the Governor on behalf of the Legislative Assembly, laid claim to its undoubted rights and privileges and asked that the most favourable construction be put upon its proceedings. Her Excellency has been pleased to express her satisfaction at the choice of the Legislative Assembly in the following terms. Mr Speaker, it is with much pleasure that I learn you have been elected by the members of the Legislative Assembly to the high and honourable office of Speaker of the House. I congratulate you upon your election and have every confidence you will fill the office in a worthy and dignified manner. I recognise and I shall respect the Legislative Assembly's undoubted rights and privileges. Yours sincerely, Kerry Sanderson, Governor. I also wish to report that I received from Her Excellency a commission to swear in members and ask the Clerk to read it to the Legislative Assembly.
To the Honourable Peter Bruce Watson, MLA, Speaker of the Legislative Assembly. I, the Governor, acting under the Constitution Act 1889, Section 22, authorise you, while you are the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, to administer the oath or affirmation of office in a form set out in Schedule E to that Act to members of the Legislative Assembly, issued under the public seal of the State at Perth on 11 May 2017. Kerry Sanderson, Governor.
Members, we will now wait for the usher of the black rod, which may take a few minutes.